Welcome traders to Let's Trade Futures and Option channel. Today Apex has announced a crazy deal. They are offering 90% off on the first month and 80% for the recurring months. And you can choose any account 25k, 50k, 100k or anything like that. And moreover on 25k, by applying this offer and the coupon code, you will get the same account only for $16.70. A crazy deal. You have a 6,500 with daily drawdown on that part, and moreover you can pass in one day. And the recurring fee for 250k is around $33.40. Typically they charge $85 per month for the PA accounts on monthly basis, right? And that includes now the total 250k account also. The code is available over here and the link is available in the description. Please take advantage of this. This is a great amazing deal on Apex PA accounts. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon.